welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with hemorrhoid discomfort, postpartum soreness, or sensitive intimate care needs, finding gentle and effective relief is essential. That's where a Sitz bath for hemorrhoids soak and postpartum care comes in. Designed to soothe irritation, reduce inflammation, and promote healing, this simple yet powerful solution offers spa-like comfort right at home. Whether you're a new mom recovering after delivery or someone seeking natural relief from daily discomfort, this Sitz bath is a must-have for comfort, hygiene, and faster recovery. Temperature-resistant high-quality materials. Each Fivona Sitz bath seat is made of high-quality materials and has passed quality tests. Both seat and hand flusher are temperature-resistant and able to hold hot liquids, which makes it an awesome essential for Sitz bath soaking as well as steaming procedures. Enhanced experience with included hand flusher. Having the Fivona hand flusher, you can increase your overall soaking experience by providing an extra massaging sensation. Also, the flusher is ideal to convert the seat into a portable bidet for washing and daily fresh up. Effective way to soothe, relieve and relax. Having a daily Sitz bath soak with just warm water helps to reduce pain and inflammation during hemorrhoids treatment and speeds up healing process during postpartum period. Soaking a few times a day is absolutely beneficial. Get SOOTHE the Bartholin cyst. Universal fit with ergonomic design. The seat is a good fit for everybody and compatible with most of the toilet shapes and sizes. It has contoured edges to repeat your body, which makes it comfortable to sit for a long period of time while enjoying your soaking or yoni steaming. Guaranteed satisfaction and exceptional customer care. Fivona is an official US-based brand and stands for the quality of its products. If you are not 100% satisfied with the product or experience any problems using the product, please do not hesitate to contact us at any time and we will be happy to resolve the issue in the best possible way. When it comes to personal care and recovery, comfort truly matters. A Sitz bath for hemorrhoid soak and postpartum care provides a safe, effective, and doctor-recommended way to ease pain, support healing, and restore confidence, without harsh treatments or medications. Easy to use, calming, and incredibly beneficial, it's a small addition that makes a big difference in your daily well-being. If relief, relaxation, and recovery are your goals, this Sitz bath is definitely worth considering. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.